Hello, my phenomenal fifth grade friends, and welcome to Search Tutorials with Ms. Caitlin. Today, we're going to be looking at a unique tool that I think is really fun, the ebook K through 8 collection. So, what is the ebook K through 8 collection? Well, as you may have guessed, it contains a lot of ebooks that are intended for students from grades K, meaning kindergarten, all the way up to 8th grade. How do you find it? We're going to be paying a visit to our old friend mel.org. We'll click on the Kids tab, and then the fourth link down should be the ebook K through 8 collection. I'll walk you through that now. Welcome once again, my friends, to mel.org, the Michigan e-Library. Today we're going to skip over the e-resources button and head right on to the kids section. Scrolling down, the fourth link will be the ebook K through 8 collection. You can click on either the title or the button below. This is the home page for the ebook K through 8 collection. It's hosted through something called EBSCOhost. It's not the shiniest website, but it has a lot of neat features, like this highlights bar. This gives you an idea of some of the topics that you can find through this collection, ranging from COVID to codes, states of matter, to states of feeling, and from a wide range of reading levels. It only takes a few scrolls to get an idea about the many different topics that are covered in this collection. Ooh, hey Zendaya. You can also scroll down and see featured ebooks. Right now, it's featuring books on the subject psychology. One of the neat things, when you go to ebooks up at the very top and you click that, it'll refresh your page. When you refresh your page, you will get an entirely new set of highlights as well as featured ebooks. So every time you come to this homepage, you have a good chance of finding an ebook on a subject you might not have even known existed, which, in my book, is pretty cool. You might also be wondering about the Browse by Category section on this main page. And I'm going to be honest with you. This is not my favorite section of this website. While it looks like it should be all-encompassing, where if you click on cooking, you should get all of the books about cooking in this collection. But as you see, we only get 2. Now, if I were to look up cookbook, not cookbook, we hit search and there are 53 results. And I would say these should fall under the category of cooking. And looks like these subjects agree with me. Let's go ahead and click on the astronaut cookbook. You'll see first it lists all the information about the book. This is something called metadata. That just means it's giving us details on the item, not details on what's inside of it. We can see that it is under the subject of cooking. So let's go ahead and click that and see what we find. By clicking the subjects, we're able to get even more results on related topics. We might not have run into geology you can gobble, which I'm not sure if I'd want to eat rocks. But is this about eating rocks? A starburst rock cycle sounds kind of cool. Let's go ahead and click on that and see what that's about. Yeah, okay. Maybe I'd eat these rocks. But I'm going to go back to the detailed record of this book. This again will take us to the description and the metadata, or metadata. Both pronunciations are correct. We have a lot more subjects in this book than we did on the astronaut cookbook. Take a couple seconds and think why that might be, that books that are similar have different subjects and different categories. Any ideas? Well, there are a lot of different reasons why, but one of the big reasons is that there's no real subject and category authority that reads every single book and assigns different subjects and categories. A lot of times it's up to the authors, publishers, or the people who write the metadata to come up with the subjects and categories they think fit the book the best. Two people could read the same book and have totally different ideas about the subjects. This can make it hard for researchers like you to find that A+ material that is absolutely perfect for you. It ends up turning into a little bit of a treasure hunt. Let's say we didn't have much luck under the cooking juvenile literature subject. So let's head over to the juvenile nonfiction cooking and food category. You'll see that the ebooks in this category are completely different than the ebooks that we saw under the cooking subject. This means I have 220 more chances to find the exact right book that will help me in my research. Now it's your turn. Head back to the main page of the ebook K through 8 collection. Pick a book from highlights or from the featured ebooks. You can follow whatever kind of breadcrumbs you'd like to from the subjects and categories, but you have to keep track of the books that you see and the subjects you use. Good luck, class. I can't wait to see what you come up with.